So we've been shipping Sentinel DACs for a while now, and a lot of those DACs leave the factory with special configurations and finishes. One of those finishes is our Sandstone Gold with Precision PVD gold accents. But we haven't had a remote to match, so we've been shipping those DACs with the stock color remotes. This has been bugging me and I really wanted to get it fixed. So right here I have a new Sandstone Gold remote controlled chassis, and it now features Precision Gold PVD accents. I really love how these turned out, and it adds an extra level of detail to each Sentinel DAC that has this color configuration. If you're one of those Sentinel DAC owners who's already received your Sentinel DAC with the wrong color remote, we'd love to get you in touch with one of our dealers to supply you with one of these custom color remotes. We will also be installing the PVD accents on silver and black, so if you have those color configurations as well, we can get you one of these. For Cascade owners or other products that we've shipped with custom colors, you will need to purchase one of these, so get in contact with your dealer if you'd like to do so. We will also be adding these to our MSB web store. We will be adding more and more custom colors to the remotes as we develop them in the future. I expect it likely that we will not be adding any of the Cerakote finishes to these remotes, because the addition of the extra material painted onto the buttons will change the way they function. The CNC components require a very precision fit, and the Cerakote finishes would interfere with that. I think for many of the remote configurations, we do like to have a little bit of contrast. So for example, an all-black remote would be kind of hard to see in low light settings. So we do like to include the stainless accents with black remotes, even for an all-black configuration of a Sentinel DAC or Cascade DAC. These remotes are made entirely in-house. The CNC chassis are made on our 5-axis Grob, and all of the buttons and the volume wheel are made on our robotics CNC lathe. And all of the circuit boards are manufactured in-house on our own SMT line. We're really proud of how this remote comes together, and we think it has a quality that you will feel every time you use it. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.